Yeah, guys. Yo, guys, I'm back and welcome to my new YouTube studio where you can see my Sharingan. Oh my god, guys. Yeah, I have the eyes of two different colors, and also I'm wearing these glasses that are the glasses that I was wearing when I was 18 years old. So a lot of stuff changed in this period, guys, and today we are going to have big stuff on this channel. We are going to do a big unboxing of some stuff for my new company. You heard it right, my new company, guys. I'm going to do a proper video on it, saying everything about it. Let's go straight to the... Guys, this stuff is so... This baby was super annoying in the background. He was like back there. It moved the head with the light. It's... Ah! He's on my desk now. Guys, come on. Today we have two big packages. One is from like 2 months ago. I didn't open it because I was waiting to have something to open together. Let's go. Guys, it's 100 euros of stuff and I had to pay 32 and something euros taxes. And yeah, they're going to take some stuff out. Yeah, taxes. There it is, guys. Freewell, which is a brand of photographic and video things. We are going to open it with my super freaking knife. Yeah, I have a huge collection of knives. If you want to see it someday, we can plan something. Let's go. So, yeah. Oh my god. Red Dot Hybrid VND CPL filter is made for my 24-70 lens. It has 3 to 7 stops, guys. For those that are not understanding anything about this filter, it's something that you attach in the front of your camera, which means VND is going to manage the reflections of glasses and stuff. So if you have if you want to take a photo or a video of a person behind a glass, you have to use the CL to see behind the glass or to don't see behind the glass. Something fun. And VND is to manage the exposure. So if you have a really bright day and you don't want to have everything in white color, you playing with it, you're going to have better colors and you are going to see something. Or not, if you're going too dark. And that's it. Everything is matched together on the same filter, which is amazing, guys. There are a lot of filters around, but having everything together is more useful. I was having a lot of filters, guys, but every time you have to attach one, attach the other, play with them, etc. And with this one, you can have everything mounted at the same time. They are the most useful filters that you want to have. So that's it. Unbox this guy. Enough of talking. I am an expert in knives, so I can do what I want to do. Oh, there is the magnet here. Oh! I don't know if you can hear it. Super amazing, guys. Guys, I'm getting tricked by this box. Perfect. Amazing, guys. It's looking so cool. It's, yeah, like it's pretty useless to having it here, but you have something attached here, so you're not forgetting your cloth to clean your camera. Yeah, as you know, I have always one with me, also to clean my freaking glasses, my old rubbish rusty glasses. As you can see, there is like my hand behind it, but you see the reflection. So yeah, wait a second, I'm going to attach it right now. So guys, right now everything is attached, and I'm going to play with the lens right now. Let's see the difference. As you can see, I'm going super darker to something. It's useful when you have like really hard lights in your face. I'm going to point you. These are the brightest, almost these are the brightest lights that I have in for Softair. They are super aggressive, and right now you can see like my face. I can't even look at the light, but as you can see, there is like, this point is super white, but like here you can still see something that without this filter you couldn't have seen anything. So okay, and then we are going to play with the reflection, which is the other filter. You see that the light is moving. You have like this. Oh guys, it's difficult to see. Like this, you see this one line of light, or also this one. If I'm moving my filter, you see that is moving. So this one is to remove reflections. If you want to have a deep review of this filter and everything behind it, comment down below if you want to see it. I'm going to do a video on it anyway, so but yeah, it's good for the algorithm. Just comment down below that you want to see the filter, and then we are going to have a beautiful video about the filter and beautiful content. So guys, just comment down below. Let me clean our desk a bit, and we are going on with the unboxing. Before going on, I have one thing to say, is that a lot of you that are watching my videos are not subscribers. So guys, please just subscribe. It's super free, it's super easy. You are not going to get bothered by me like uploading a lot, having 2000 notifications. So guys, please just subscribe. It's easy and it helps me a lot. That's it. Let's go on, guys. Oh, guys, I really like when people like these companies just thank you for our order. It's like nothing really special, but they are thanking you because you're investing in an Italian company. It's good to thank people that are supporting you and your work, so why not? And it costs like zero to thank someone as subscribing to my channel, so consider subscribing. First of all, I need to recharge my PT here.
One eternity later.
Woo! Scan QR code, blade arm installation guide. Nice. We have this. So we have this small bag, which seems pretty cheap. It's like the same as my old GoPro, but it's good to have. Oh gosh, here. Boom. Boom. This is a Move Max crane. You attach it on the surface like this. You pop the pressure valve like this, and then you have a crane attached to the car or to the surface. As we have this valve here to handle the weight of the thing, counter the vibration on camera, is going to be attached on a car. It's going to record things that are going to happen in the background, and you're going to have smooth things like the reels that you are seeing on YouTube of beautiful cars going on the road. Easy peasy. With this one and the Osmo Pocket installed on top, we are going to have like good quality. I did see a lot of professionals doing this, so I'm following the trend right now, and yeah, that's it. If you want to have a beautiful reel of your car, or like in action something, we are here to do that. By the way, that's it. One more thing before closing this video is that I hope you liked my new YouTube studio. If you want to have a full tour of this studio, let's say if we reach 20 likes on this video, I'm going to do a full tour of everything from my from this one, which is like the, I don't know, the big money stuff. Here I have all my beautiful gadgets and stuff, and yeah, if you want that 20 likes, it's easy, and I'm going to do the video. So that's it for today, guys. It was super fun to getting back to this type of content, and that's amazing, guys. As always, thank you everyone for staying, and that's it. See you in the next one. That's it.